Okay, good morning again, grade 5. For our Math 5, Activity 3 for our day 3. So this is our activity. We have letter A, find the product. And for letter C, answer the following. So let us have an example from this activity. We will use number 3. And number 4 as an example for your activity in mathematics. So let us have this example. Okay. So letter A, number 3, we have 3 over 6 times 2 over 7. Again, before multiplying our numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator, let us first observe our given fraction. So we have 2 and 6. Is there any number that we can divide that both 2 and 6 are divisible? So 2 can be used. So 2 will be used to divide. So 2 over 2 will become 1. And 6 divided 2 will become 3. So after that, let us try the 3 and 7. Is there any number that 3 and 7 are divisible? None. So it means we will use 3 and 7. So after that, we can proceed in multiplying numerator to numerator, denominator to denominator. So 3 times 1 is equals to 3. And 3 times 7 is equals to 21. So 3 and 21 is both divisible by 3. So we can express it in the lowest form. So we will divide. So by using 3 over 3. So 3 divide 3 is equals to 1. Then 21 divide 3, it is 7. So our final answer is 1 over 7. Okay, for our letter B, so we have to multiply. Again, before going into multiplication of numerator and numerator, denominator to denominator, let us observe, is there any number that we can use to divide 7 and 5? None. So it means that that number will retain. And how about for our 4 and 8? Is there any number that we can use to divide 4 and 8? So we can use 4. So 4 divide 4 is 1. Again, we will use 4. 8 divide 4 is 2. So after that, we can proceed in multiplying the remaining numbers. So 1 times 7 is 7. Then 5 times 2 is 10. So we have to think a number that 7 and 10 are both divisible. Is there any possible number? Okay, none. So this is our final answer. It is the most simplest form. Again, these two numbers are from our activity. Good luck sa pagsasagot, mga bata.